how do I set the default font in LibreOffice so that the writer documents use the same font Arial that I use in the content for the Google document. I set up the settings in LibreOffice so that when a new content is created, it's done with Arial instead of Liberation Sans Serif or some weird font. You can download LibreOffice. So the link to download it is in the Google document at theguyrcookreport.podbean.com. And I think you should take a look at that. It's a great Office suite, and it works well in Linux and in Windows. The easiest cake steps to do that are in a support document. The default font setting, which sets all future documents to do the same setting that you give it once. You only have to do it once and it's set. You go to Tools, to Options, to the Writer, to Basic Fonts, and set the defaults there. And then bazinga, it's done. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on YouTube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.